In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is now on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same tile one more time. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location section. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!